Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. My name is Muhammad Talifito, and I'm from Group 3. In this video, we will tell you about our reading log place called Padang 12. Before that, I will introduce my member group. There is Desri Ramadhani and Muhammad Alifito, Muhammad Muklas, Muhammad Rizky Katapani, Naswa Zahi, Sofia Tunisa, and Siska Septian Ruswanti. Okay, without any further ado, let's go to the first material. Will be presented by Muhammad Rizky Katapani. Rizky Katapani, time's yours.
Thank you for the moderator for the time. So let me explain briefly about Padang 12. So first, Borneo is always famous for supernatural things. For example, like this, Padang 12. Padang 12 is a place located at Kenawangan, Ketapang City, West Borneo. So basically, this place is just a vacant land with an area of about 12 kilometers wide, that covered by pine trees and lots of reeds. But it is said that there is a city in this Padang 12 that can only be seen by certain people who can see things, in quote. And also it is said that this city existed since the time of the ancestors, and the people of this city, they are called Orang Limun. And also it is said that Padang 12 is a beautiful and luxurious city and has a prosperous and modern population. I think that is enough for me. I'm going to give it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rizky. Let's go to the next material. Will be presented by Desri Ramadhani. Desri, time's yours.
Okay, thank you to the moderator for the time. I will explain about the legend of Padang 12. First, the mystery of the Orang Limun that human can't see. Well, the inhabitants of Padang 12 are called by the name of the Orang Limun or the Orang Kebenaran. These people can't be seen by humans either. Only if this Orang Limun deliberately appears, then humans can see it. Based on the testimony of people who have seen it, this Orang Limun is not much different from humans. The only difference is they don't have a cleavage between the under the nose and above the lips. About the form and figure of the Orang Limun, who are actually also confused. Some say Orang Limun are descendants of the angels, Harut and Marut, who are on earth. Some say that this is a sign and obedient worship. There are also those who refer to Orang Limun as Muslim jinn who have lived in the area for thousands of years. However, most believe that these Orang Limun live like ordinary humans. Next, the atmosphere of Padang City 12 is extraordinarily magnificent and clean. According to the recognition that can see Padang 12, the city is a clean, beautiful, and super luxurious region. The existence of luxury cars such as Rolls-Royce and Ferrari became a common sight. The luxury houses are there too. In addition, there are also residents who have private planes and cruise ships. We don't know how the beautiful city is, but for ordinary people and don't have the ability to see the magical city, Padang 12 is like an empty land filled with pine trees and weeds, like ordinary grassland. Next, Orang Limun use turmeric for gold. Orang Limun are believed to live life like ordinary humans. They also have buying and selling activities and go to the market. What is unique about the transaction process is the medium of exchange used. The medium of exchange is not money, but turmeric or spices. But make no mistake, turmeric has a high value. How can it be? Because the turmeric can turn into gold the next day. Well, if turmeric as a medium of exchange can turn into gold, less all the luxuries that the population has purchased also with turmeric. Thank you. That's all from me. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you, Desri. Let's next to the next material. Will be presented by Sofia Tunisa. Sofia Tunisa, time is yours.
Thanks to the moderator, here I will explain about Padang 12. influence on society. There are some people who believe that the early moon are designed from bidadari heart and married on earth. Usually, people of Padang 12 like to dance with women. They go to the market with the local using turmeric as their currency and use into the buy something. People believe that the turmeric they use can turn into gold. Many believe that only those with a clean heart are filled with resident of Padang 12. They are also those who think otherwise. If someone passes through Padang 12 with a haughty or arrogant attitude toward the area or those evil in the area, then it is likely to see a strange but scary sight, even disturbed. That's all my explanation, and I will return into the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Sofia Tunisa, to explain the materi. Let's move to the next materi. Will be presented by Nashwa. Nashwa, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to the moderator for the time. Here I will explain about the reason why winters to this place. Well, we heard the stories about Padang 12 from Rizky Katapani. It's located in Kalimantan, where he came from, and the reason we are interested. First, the place is very popular, especially for the locals. And second, the place is mysterious. And third, called mysterious because for some people who can see there is a small town on the land filled with residents, while for people who can see, it is just land that has nothing. And the last is the place is filled with land, but for some not. Therefore, the reason why we are interested to this place because this place is mysterious and it makes us very curious about this place. That's all from me. I'll give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Nashwa. Let's go to another materi. Will be presented by Siska. Siska, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. Here I'm explain about pro opinion of Padang 12. The older this era, the more familiar with mystical things, as we often hear the mystical story that is currently popular is about the magical city of Padang 12. Based on oral stories from ancient times, this 12-kilometer long area filled with sand and pine trees is said to be a beautiful and luxurious city, inhabited by a prosperous and modern Muslim jinn. The existence of Padang 12 can only be seen by clean-spirited humans. Stories like these are familiar because they have long been developed by word of mouth. We live in this world side by side with the unseen world. So there is a possibility that the story of Padang 12 is really real. Thank you. That's all for me. I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Siska, for the explaining about materi. Let's go to the last materi. Will be presented by Muhammad Muklas. Muhammad Muklas, time is yours.
Okay, thanks for giving me time. As we have heard, the Padang 12 is only an empty land that's about 12 kilometers wide. And it is said that Padang 12 is a beautiful and luxurious city and has a very prosperous and modern population. However, not every people who want to see it can see the beauty and luxury of the city, but it only can be seen by people who are clean and pure in heart. There are people urging oppositely, if someone passes through this city with arrogance or having bad intention towards the area, he will probably see a strong and scary side. So, only people who are clean in heart who can see the beautiful and the luxury of the city. The people who come with arrogance and having bad intention, they will not see the beautiful of the city. Instead, they will see a strong and scary side. Well, I think enough. For the rest, I return back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mas. And we're done. Okay, I will tell you existence of Padang 12 and Orang Limun is indeed very confusing. Some believe and some don't. Everyone has their own beliefs. If you are still curious about this magical city, you can go directly to it. Who knew you were one of the lucky ones who could see the magical city and all its luxuries. It is also good if you later meet Orang Limun and given turmeric that can turn into gold. Thank you very much. That's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.